Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix beta updates not showing on iPhone. So guys, if you're using iPhone or iPad or other iOS device and you want to update your iPhone to iOS 26 developer beta, and you will see that beta updates are not showing. So in this video I will show you how to fix this problem. So you can easily fix this problem. First of all, you have to open your settings. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and after this you need to go back, scroll it down. From here you have to click on general, and now you need to click on software update. And after this you will see here is the option of beta updates. So simply you have to turn on beta updates from here, and after this you will see beta updates here, and you can easily download and install that update. And guys, if still not showing or beta updates enabling option not showing in your iPhone, so no need to worry, you have to open Safari in your iPhone, and after this here you need to search beta profiles.dev. So simply you have to search this, and as you will see you need to open this website, and now you have to wait. So after this scroll it down, and now you will see here is the option of developer. Click on it, and you will see beta updates, latest beta update here. And after this you need to click on install profile that you want to install in your iPhone, and after this you need to click on install, and now you have to click on allow. And after this you will see that update in your settings, and you can easily download and install that beta update in your iPhone easily. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.